Do you need to go into an airplane to know that the earth is just so small? We're gonna conquer it all now. Look at its ways, we are remembering how Earth was so touching. Together we are growing from nature, reaching to the stars in our inner skies. Oh, there's no more lies in this universe. Everything has the answers inside you, inside of me. We're all together in this twisted universe. Are you the voice of God? Can you see him just like the voices of God? There's more than one now. There is more than one in there for you to figure out. Dimensional realities. I can fly inside you and them and the entities. We're visiting each other now. Coming, gleaming with all you are. It is just God, it's just God now. Do you miss us? Do you miss us all? Do you wanna become the angel that created you? Taking care of you like taking care of us. 'Cause you're everywhere. You're everywhere. There's so much access to you.